What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let me cover this ugly ass head of hair up. Alright, I'm filming this intro in the car. As you can see from the title, we should be doing a deer hunt. If this goes bad, it'll turn into a fishing video, most likely. I have footage from yesterday that I couldn't really make a video out of, so I might just make it into a fishing video if this video goes south. But today, we're out here on the farm. We are riding solo today. First time going solo on this farm. So I'm in my car, so if we end up killing a deer, then Mr. Deer might be riding shotgun right there, or we'll figure something out. So we'll see. I got my GoPro with me. I got some 3M sticky mounts. We're gonna try to stick on the stand and film with that. I don't have a new GoPro that has a screen, so I can't see. So it was gonna be a little trial and error, but hopefully I can get some footage out of it. This is, I think, October 18th, I believe. First sit of the year for me. We've tried going the past 3 weekends in a row, or 2 weekends in a row. It just didn't work out for us. So I just said, you know what, I'm gonna come out here on a Monday morning and get some stand time. You know, if we don't kill anything, we don't kill anything. It just still feels good to get out here and sit in this cold weather, which is, we've got cold weather for the first time this year. I think it was 41 degrees when I woke up, so nice and toasty outside. We got about, I don't know, a 15-minute walk in, since I don't own this farm, but I know my father-in-law, we'll just call him that. His cousin owns it, Joe, which you've seen him in videos before. You know, I'm real close with Joe, so this is his farm. You've seen us fish this farm before, but I don't have keys to the gate, so I have to walk in. So I gotta hop the fence, walk in. So we'll set the camera down, get the lantern, headlight on. I might film a little bit on the walk in, but we'll get to walking in. It's still pitch black outside. It's about 5:52. So we really need to get on out there for sunrise and get settled in before them deer start getting up and moving. So y'all stay tuned. Should be a pretty good video. Hopefully get some footage for you guys. Hey guys, so as I was editing this video, I realized the audio is complete shit in these clips that I'm filming these deer, which is a good chunk of the video. I realized it's my phone case. I got a new phone. As you can probably tell, if not yet, you will later in the video. The camera quality is a lot better if you're a returning subscriber to my channel. But I think it was the case on my phone was why my audio is so sensitive. So hopefully next time I film a video, because I film pretty much all my videos on my phone and my GoPro, my audio will be a lot better on my phone. So I do apologize for that. So please be sure to like the video if you like it, and please try to bear with me on the audio. I have a lot of great footage of these deer. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. guys, we're heading on out of here. I'm gonna try to stay somewhat quiet walking out of here because I know these deer are standing back up in there. You can't really see it right now. That's the lane I'm hunting on. It's about 10:30 right now. I did a little longer of a sit than I normally would do. Didn't kill anything, obviously. You guys would have seen it. We saw a lot of deer. I don't think I got it on film. I think I attempted to, so I might put it in the video. But I saw a big buck. I think it was the one I was after. I think I call it lucky, because our buddy Joe, the guy that runs this farm, he shot at it last year and he missed it at like 65 yards with a crossbow. So there's a whole long story behind that, but he missed that deer, and I think that's the deer that I saw this morning. It was at like 65, 70 yards. I think it was crossed onto the next property over because there's a property line right there. So it wasn't a doable shot. Let me switch hands here. I didn't see it for very long. Like, I caught a glimpse of it, tried to range it, got a range on it, and I pretty much only saw his rack flash, and that's what made me see it. But there's not too many big bucks on this property. There's a 10 and an 8. The 10, I think, is close to 4, maybe 5, and then that 8 is probably, if I had to guess, 2.5 or 3. So that 8's still young. But I had, you've already seen the video. I had those 2 does work me for a while. They came up. So the stand is down that lane right there. Most of the deer work down like this, where they work in from the next property, and they work all the way out through here. And that's what those does did. I had one come in on me very early in the morning, and it worked all the way up through there. And then I had the 2, they came through here. I filmed them, and they came out up here somewhere. And then about, I don't know, an hour later, I'm guessing they came back through here, or there's ponds, multiple ponds, so I'm assuming they got water or something, grazed a little bit, came back around, because they came up behind me. You've already seen it in the video, but they came up behind me and they worked all back through here again, and they ended up blowing at me. I don't know why they blew at me. I was standing up while I was filming them, so maybe I was shaking or something. I know the camera was probably a little shaky, so maybe they saw me. I don't know. I know they didn't win me, because they walked right up 10 yards, not even 10 yards from the stand, and the wind was blowing right in their face, and they didn't win me then. So I'm assuming they saw me, or something else spooked them. But they blew at me, ran another, I don't know, 10-15 yards, stopped, and I think I got that on film too. And then kind of checked me out, and then blew at me again and just took off, and I didn't see him again. I think I saw one more after that. Couldn't get on film because it was so far out in the thick. And these woods are real thick, as you can see. But it was a good sit, first of the year. I'm happy with it. That's really all I wanted to do. I was after that big buck. That's the buck I'm after. If I get a shot on it, I get a shot on it. If I don't, I don't. I could have killed that doe. You guys saw, sorry, my arm's starting to hurt. I could have killed that doe you guys saw with the fawn. That came up real close to the stand. Those are the 2 that blew at me. But I'm not really wanting to haul a doe all the way back to my car. And I don't want to kill that fawn's mom too, but plus I'm still trying to figure out the buck populations. I know it ain't too high. I saw 2 bucks. I saw that spike, which you might be able to tell in the video. I saw a spike, and then I tried to film that 8, and I don't think you can see it. You might have caught a glimpse of its ass, but I don't think you got to see the head. But which that sucks. But yeah, once I figure, I'm gonna keep just coming out here and filming and figuring out, the deer population. Because we took 2 bucks off this property last year. Joe killed his first buck at close to the end of the year. I killed my 6 point that you guys, I'm just now starting to film deer videos, so you guys didn't see that. But if it's on the Instagram, so you can go look at it on there. But Joe killed a 4 point, I killed a 6, and that was his first buck. So you know, it is what it is. His first deer, actually. I would like to have not shot it, but there's not a big population of deer on this farm, so we gotta pretty much pick and choose. Somebody ended up buying the property. We have a deer stand up in those woods way up there. I say we do, we had one. Somebody bought that land, so we've got to come out here. We haven't done any prep for this season at all, none. So I was very weary of what the sit was going to be like this morning, but we're gonna come out here and bush hog some lanes and trim up some trees, plant some stuff. We're just gonna take better care of the farm. We don't really do anything to it, so I'm gonna quit rambling on. You guys already have watched enough boring footage today of me just not killing anything. So let me know down in the comment section below how you guys like the sorry, switching hands, my arm is getting how you guys like the deer hunting videos. I know it's kind of boring to watch, but you know, you can't go out there and kill a deer every time you go hunting. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but we're not gonna do that on this channel. So yeah, just comment down below what you guys think. If you liked it, if you didn't.